If you struggle making sales with organic dropshipping, watch this video. This video is the actually blueprint from 0 to 5K per day using AI. So, I'm Elias. I have my own supplement brand here. I packed a lot of orders. Now I have a free PO. I do 4K days consistently and I have my own supplement factory in Germany. So after this video, you know everything. Basically everything about the product research, my own video strategy that's completely untapped, like for real, and how to create those videos. And at the end from the video, I'm gonna give you a trick that boosts your sales massively. So stay to the end. So before we're gonna start, we need to kill those limiting beliefs. AI organic dropshipping doesn't work. People will know it's AI, and most of the people don't. Like for real, look at this. This is one of my coaching clients. He's 3 weeks into ecom and he already did a 3K day using AI. Also, Piotr, you see, he's making crazy sales. And the other thing is, I can start later. And no, you cannot start later. The competition will increase. If you don't start now, it's your fault if you don't succeed. So, watch this video and I'm gonna give you everything you need. Okay, first, how to choose the right niche for your ecom store. And it's completely important. Like, if you choose the wrong niche, you make everything harder. Like, you could market any product, like any product, but you want to make it easier for you. So the product should be easy to go viral. The product should have demand, so people actually care about the product, and it should have good margins. Like if you make per sale only $2, then don't fucking sell it, you know. So the margin should be high, around 70%, and it should be only problem solver products. It's like my preference. I only work with problem solver products and they work crazy with my method. So what are bad products? Look at this. This is a crazy shit ass product. It's not a problem solver. I see many dropshipper ripping these type of lamps, fucking decoration shit and do organic videos with it. Please don't do this anymore. It's completely gay. So the other thing is like swimming glasses for kids, and no, it's not a good product, and no, it's hard to market. So what's actually a good product? Okay, look at this. It's a micro needling kit for hair loss. And bro, this is a crazy good product. It has a crazy problem. Like hair loss is a crazy thing for women and for men. You can market it really crazy with a transformation. And the marketing is completely easy. And the product is also kinda unique. It's not a supplement, it's a micro needling thing. And it works. The other product is GLP-1 patches. It's for weight loss. And it's also a crazy good product. It's completely cheap. You can ship this from like 50 cents from China to your USA customer, uh, not including with the shipping. Like with the shipping, it would be like €5, $5, but it's still great. And it's a problem solver product. So pick these products, they work so crazy. You can just rip the GLP-1, you can rip the hair loss thing. I don't care. So now for the marketing. There's an old way and a new way. The old way is making AI videos, praying that the product will perform, and high AI generation costs, like $8 per video. Like it's crazy high. But here is the new way. You don't need videos, just images. Every product will perform. Like you could have the craziest ass product, it will perform. But if you choose the right product, it will be easier, and it would cost like 30 cents per post. So it's absolutely crazy. Let me show you how to do this. So I'm gonna show you how the slideshows would look like, and then I'm gonna explain you how to find these slideshows and how to create those slideshows. So for fat loss, you see, there's a person, she's completely overweight and fat, and then she's lean. Like this is the fat loss angle. Now I just type in acne, press on photos, and boom, we're gonna pick this. She has crazy acne. Boom, she has no acne, and it's a crazy transformation. Then the girl has hair loss, and boom, she fixed it. And yeah, it's a transformational type of slideshows, and they perform crazy. Let me show you. So why does these type of slideshows work? Let me explain you this for like idiots. People hate, they really hate getting sold to, and that's like the thing you should avoid. Don't put the link inside of the bio. Don't say buy here. Try to show the transformation and sell inside of the comments. And yeah, you hear me. Sell inside of the comments. The thing is, selling inside of the comments always seems like a recommendation. So you have the transformation video, like the slideshow. Let me show you this one. And Here you don't see any product, and that's a perfect thing, because if they don't see a product, they think that's real, and it gets crazy pushed out into the algorithm. But what do I mean selling inside of the comments? Let me show you. With the account that you post, with your organic account, you're gonna make one extra account just for commenting. An account should look crazy native, like the name should be luna dot blah 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 blah, something like this, okay? And the account should have posts, like posts about flowers, I don't know, vacations. The account should have posts, not about your product, not about your niche, just posts so the people will think it's a real human. And then if your account, we're gonna name the account Valeria, okay, this is your seller account. That's the account where you sell the supplements, okay, or like the hair loss, or like the thing you're gonna sell. You made the post, and then Luna is gonna comment, how did you do that, or something like this, like, oh my god, how did you do that, oh my god, give me tips. And then Valeria is gonna send a photo of the product. I'm gonna explain you now why you need to pick a photo, and without photo it doesn't work. A photo, and then here I used the blah 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 product, like your brand name. And why the photo? Because TikTok ranks the photos higher. So because you cannot pin comments uh, inside of TikTok, you need to find methods that your comment is gonna be pushed up. So put the photo in, blah blah blah, and that's like the method. So this is the way you're actually making sales. And now I'm gonna explain you how to do these type of slideshows. But before we're gonna do this, you need two tools. Actually, just one tool. You need PolarisUGC.com. Polaris UGC. It's something like Higgsfield but made for e-commerce. It's actually smart. Like if you connect it into Cloud, your Cloud gets smarter, like Ecom Smart, and it's actually cheaper than Higgsfield. And yeah, just buy this one. It's completely crazy. And yeah, let me show you how to do this. Go inside of Polaris. Polaris has a crazy cool feature. It's the prompt generator. You're just gonna paste in the prompt and generate the prompt. And this prompt generator is a Chinese model or something, and it makes the prompt really crazy, because if you send this Claude, Claude is going to flag this and make the prompt actually worse. So this is actually a cool thing here. So the first thing you should do is go on Pinterest, type in woman picture, boy picture, blah blah blah, to get the first picture of your AI avatar. So now I have the prompt. I'm gonna copy the JSON, go inside of generator, image, and I'm gonna paste the image in. Oh, here are some images from me. I already did her. I'm gonna try Nano Banana Pro. I'm gonna try Nano Banana 2, and I'm gonna try GPT 2, so we can see the difference. But you can see here, Nano Banana 2 did a crazy job. Like it looks crazy good. This looks good. Like Nano Banana is crazy, and Nano Banana 2 is like the perfect thing for like these images. So after those images are generated, we're gonna pick this one. It's now GPT-2, but you can pick the Nano Banana thing. But I'm gonna pick this one. You're gonna press on tweak, and then you're gonna say, here, change the hair, make her balding, make her 20 kilos more fat, make her 100 kilos more fat, make another environment, and then you build up those slideshows. And now I'm gonna show you like a little bit how to find better slideshows to rip, and rip like the text, rip everything just with your avatar and post it. Like this is the easiest method. I cannot show you the craziest deep dive because my coaching clients would be killing me, but this is kind of the broad version, and you're gonna make like 10K a month with this, guaranteed. And yeah, if you go on TikTok, oh, what the fuck, how did I say TikTok? Okay, if you go on TikTok, write in your problem. I told you hair loss, and then you're gonna find those slideshows. Pick the slideshows that converted, like, I don't know, this one, and you can make these type of slideshows just with Polaris, and they perform crazy, and it should feel organically. Like if you have this one, post it, bro. It's so good. And you can also attach the reference image. Like you could screenshot this image and tweak it with your AI avatar and say, yeah, just change out the avatars, and it's gonna work. So the method is so easy. But I cannot show you everything. My coaching clients would kill me. I'm really sorry. But this is like the broad version. Like with this knowledge, you can make 10K a month guaranteed. Like if you don't make 10K a month with this,